All right. I am going to spotlight me. Okay, can you guys see this?
Yes.
A little
Okay.
blurry, but maybe my eyeglasses.
Probably blurry because the camera's so far away, but this is oops.
Gotcha. I got it.
Okay, perfect. All right. So you guys got all your supplies needed.
Hopefully.
Right. So let's start out then. Okay. You're going to take your 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, and we're going to score it. Now, where's my thing? See, I just thought I was ready. I really wasn't. Okay. So you're going to put it with the long edge at the top, and you're going to score it at 2 inches and at 4 inches. Okay. Then you're going to flip it 180 degrees, so all the way around. And again, you're going to score it at 2 inches and 4 inches.
Okay.
Okay. So you've got 2 inches, 2 inches, and then you've got a thin area right through here, and then 2 inches and 2 inches.
Yep.
And now we're going to fold it, and we're going to fold it so that that little area in the middle is up. Well, let me use my bone folder because it didn't work very well.
It's going to be our little pop-up area, right?
It is going to be our little pop-up area.
These are so cool.
I love fun fold cards. And then your outside folds, you're going to fold up toward the middle.
So what do you think about the color refresh and the new colors?
Oh, we needed new colors, so I'm okay with it. And I love some of the colors, and some of the colors I'm like, okay.
I know. It's like, okay.
Yeah.
I'll wait and see what magic they do with them.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay.
Yep.
So when you've got it,
when are we going to get the what do you call it?
The catalog?
Yeah.
Yes, I am mailing them out this week. They will be going out.
Okay.
So you should have it in a couple days.
Okay.
Okay. So you look like this. Okay. Has everybody got that?
Yep.
Go.
All right. Now you can put that aside. Now we're ready for step 2. You are going to take your 3 3/4 by 3 inch piece. Why this keeps doing this to me? It did this to me last time too, where it takes out a whole line of what it's supposed to print and it doesn't print. That's weird. Anyway, you're going to decorate this like a card front. Okay.
Is this that neutral, the neutral piece of paper?
Yep, this is your neutral. And you can turn it either this way or this way, whichever you like, because it can take both ways. It's not going to matter. Okay. So you can do landscape or vertical, whichever you prefer. Okay.
And this is just stamp and decorate. Okay.
Stamp and
it's
decorate.
not our greeting. We're not ready for the greeting.
If that's what you would put on the front of your card, then yes, because this is going to be the front of your card.
Okay, good to know.
You'll decorate it just like the front of your card. I am using some of the new stuff I'm going to play with.
Oh, I saw that. That is such
Not
a cool
fair.
idea. That's okay.
Isn't that pretty? I love it.
Yes.
So it's the bows are on like a bar.
Yep.
Yep. Sweet.
They are, and you just adhere the bar to the back of it, and it's super easy to do.
Good to go then.
Yep.
Well, I guess I'll flip it over here. I just messed it up.
Luckily, there's two sides.
And I heard that they can't, or they're not doing this stamparatus
Right.
because somebody is suing anybody who's made a stamparatus like theirs.
Yep. You
So
got it.
they're gonna do I guess a complete remake of it because I can't live without that stamparatus for the big stamps,
Yep.
you know?
Yep. Yep. But you have a stamparatus, don't you?
Yes.
Okay.
yes,
So you're
I'm
good. Yeah. Yeah. It's the company is called, oh, what's it called? Little Petunia or something like that.
Something like that. Little. Yeah, I
I
can't.
think it's Petunia. I can't remember, something like that. But yeah, they have suddenly decided they're going to sue every company that has a stamparatus or anything
right.
similar to it. So we had to stop. Yeah, even though ours is, we've totally made it our own and done things very different on it. It's still, there's still got a lawsuit about it. So
Too many lawyers on the planet, right?
yes, there certainly are sometimes. I believe that. Okay, how you guys doing on decorating that?
Been done.
Been and done. Okay. So what you are going to do when you're done with it is you're now going to adhere this to your 4-inch by 3¼ inch piece of coordinating cardstock. Okay, so it should mount on it and just leave a nice border around it. Okay.
Okay.
I must have cut something wrong. Measure twice, cut once, right?
And don't always
4
assume that I told you the right size. So,
by 3¼ Okay, that one's right.
okay.
And the
Okay, so
neutral
that
is
didn't
supposed
work.
to be 3 and 3¼
3 3/4
so 3 3/4
by 3.
I just got to take a little sliver off. Yay.
Diane, did yours work?
Yes.
Okay. This is our new color, Moody Mauve.
Oh, the dusty reddish color there.
Yes. Moody Mauve. And the blue is our boho blue.
I do like the blues.
Yes.
Yeah, the blue's good.
Yep, I like them. All right, you guys good with that?
Yep. Next.
Go ahead.
Okay. Step 3. Oh, so this thing we just did, put it aside. We're not going to work with it for a minute. Okay. Now you're going to pull out your 2 pieces of designer series paper that are 5¼ by 1 3/4.
Yep.
Okay. Now I didn't have paper in my colors, and so I just did some embossing on some white. So that's going to take the place of my designer series paper.
Okay.
Going to pull our card base back out. Okay. And here we have the middle up. So our designer series paper is going to be on this flap and on this flap.
Oh, got it.
Oh, okay.
And then the neutrals were the same color. Are they're going to go inside then?
They're going to go inside.
I mean,
You
the
got it.
neutrals are the same size. That's what I meant to
Yes.
say.
Yes, they are the same size.
So when you say neutral, do you sort of mean white, gray,
Yes.
ivory?
Off-white.
that's
Yes.
from.
You
Okay.
got it.
Okay.
Did
Pretty
you
much
get
color
your
the-
paper pumpkin?
I did. I got it today.
I got mine today too. It's coming a little bit quicker.
Yes.
Last month's was slow.
Last
It
month was really slow. Yeah.
It was beautiful though. Oh,
Yes. I did like last month's. It was very pretty. They were pretty cards.
Okay. Got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Lindsay, how you doing? You got it?
I am in like Flynn.
Okay. So let's head on to step 4. So now you're going to take your 2 pieces of your neutral that are 5¼ by 1 3/4. and
Mhm.
you're going to stamp them with your inside greeting or decorate them any way you want. And they are going to go on these pieces right here. Is that right? Let me look. No, they're going to
Yeah,
go
they're
on
they're
these pieces.
opposite of the designer paper.
Right, the opposite side is the designer series paper.
I'm going to emboss mine. Be right back.
Sure.
Okay. So they just go on the inside. Okay.
Yep, just the opposite of where the designer series paper was.
My glue is cooperating today.
Oh, all right. We like that.
I got about 3 bottles and I have, well, can't use that one today. I'll have to use this one. Oh, wait, that one neither. Yes, I got the third one.
So what did they do? Clog up on you?
Clog up. Yeah.
Yeah. I have so many paper clips that are all undone that I stick in glue bottles to unclog them and everything else. So
I sometimes think it's more of an issue when it gets real cold. It's like
you
my
know,
glue sort of globs up.
I agree. I agree. Certain glues are like that.
All right. Now I can glue.
Now you're gonna glue. So did you guys see my post that they're having free shipping tomorrow?
Yes.
So
You
yeah,
always do this after I get my other order in.
I know.
Right,
Me
right.
too. But what I'm gonna do is, because everything is gone up in price in the new catalog, I'm going to take advantage of this and stock up on cardstock and envelopes and adhesive.
Basic stuff. Yep.
Yeah.
Because that's going to go up too.
It's all going up. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
It's a
It's
good
all
idea.
going up. So yeah, so I'm going to do that and take advantage of that and get it while it's a little cheaper plus free shipping. So all right, you guys
When
have
did you know the post office is going to go up
in July.
July something to
Yep.
60 something?
I think it's 66 or
65? 66?
67, something like that. Yeah, it's going
I
up
think
quite a
it's
bit.
63 right now.
Yes, it is. It is. So they're going to make it so that it's going to be harder and harder for us to mail cards. So,
That's okay. After I spend $100 in supplies to make a card, I'm going to put a 65-cent stamp on it.
that's right.
Yeah.
Whatever it takes.
That's right.
Okay, you guys got your paper on there?
Yes.
Yep.
All right. So now you're going to come back to this piece that we layered, and now we're
Mhm.
ready to put our card together. Now this is going to go on this thin little strip right here. Okay. So
Okay.
whether it goes this way or this way, both of them work. But what you're going to do is you're just going to adhere that, and you got to make sure it's centered so that it looks right. So what I do is I put my adhesive here rather than on here because you don't want it oozing out the side.
Ah, that's smart.
Yeah, so I'm going to do that and open this flat and center it side to side and up and down so that it's like that. Got that?
Yep.
And now you are ready to close it up. So how you close it is, let me do it this way so you can see it. You're going to kind of fold these in, and then it closes.
Oh,
like
it goes
that.
behind the
Ah,
Yeah, Yeah. So then to
Pretty
open
cool.
it, you just kind of fold them back and it opens up that way.
Oh, there we go.
Isn't that fun?
It
Yeah.
It's
is.
so different. I really like it. So let me see the one show you the one I did for my sample. So here's one I did my sample. This is all new stuff
Yeah.
Ah,
and it opens like that. So I
oh,
still
that's
have some
cute.
bananas and then my saying over there. So there we go. I just think they're kind of fun, kind of different, kind of fun, but I like
They
them.
are.
Yep.
They are.
I like them. So, all right. So let's see what you guys made. Who wants to show first?
Uh,
Okay,
that's my
let me get you
front.
spotlighted. Replace spotlight. Okay. Oh, pretty. Okay. I like your designer series paper on there. That's pretty.
Yeah. And then
Oh, very nice.
Oh, wow.
I like it. Very pretty. Okay.
yeah.
Lindsay, let me put you in spotlight. All right.
I'm
Let's see
I'm
yours.
still constructing here,
Still
but
constructing.
let me okay. What's gonna be? I haven't glued it yet.
Okay. Like that. Oh, happy.
Like that.
Oh, I like it. Very pretty.
And then hold it correctly. Then the front would be like this, correct?
Oh, yes. Very nice. I like it.
I that got so much of that paper when it was a celebration.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
It's gorgeous. I'm
I
just
know.
my friends are probably getting sick of getting it, but that's tough.
That's all right. That's all right. It was free and it's so pretty. You just want to use it all the time. So I like it.
I know. I love the colors that go with it.
Yes.
So when
That's
do they
Oh,
come out with a
yes.
neat purple for you? Because it seems like a while since there's been a really cool purple.
Yeah, they kept the fresh freesia, which was one of our in colors. They kept it. I do like it. And of course we've still got gorgeous grape, which is my absolute favorite. So I'm happy about that. So they did get rid of rich raspberry, but
Yes.
I didn't really like that one as well anyway. So I was okay with that. So I'm okay. My big once was a light pink, which they
Yes.
did. They came out with bubble bath. And then I really wanted a light yellow, but not so saffron. I just didn't like that one. It was too gray looking to me. I just wanted a nice light yellow. So now we have a lolly, what's it called? Lemon lolly or lolly lemon or something like that.
Who makes up those names? For real?
They actually do. They do little contests there.
I bet.
And they come up with the names like that. So it's
if they weren't particularly Mormon, I'd say they're chewing some gummies,
Right. You would certainly think so, but no, I don't think they are.
I don't think they are.
Well, I wanted to show you one card I made. This is something different.
Okay, let me put you on
This right here,
Yeah.
that is sewing.
Oh, when you actually
be
sewed
still
it.
my heart.
Oh,
You
There's-
literally
there's
take a
some-
needle.
Huh? Yeah. I use, of course, I do embroidery, so
right.
that's just, but there's some dyes you can get that just put holes in there. And you just, they're little set, it's almost like the stitching
Right.
that you see on some of them.
Yep.
Well, these are just a little bit longer holes,
Okay.
but they're not Stampin' Up, but
Right. Yeah.
anyway, so
very nice.
I like to do that.
Yeah, that's pretty. I like that. So
the prices are too crazy to be 100% Stampin' Up. Like I get my glue from Amazon,
Yeah.
I can't do it all.
Yeah, I totally understand. Totally understand. So, and I buy like all of my scrapbooking supplies. I buy a lot of them other places. Stampin' Up just doesn't have very much. So
true.
I try to use it as much as I can, but not always. So
right.
Yep, that works. So all right, ladies. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm glad
thank
to see both of you. And it's
Thank you. That's a pretty one.
Yeah, definitely. So all right, then I will end this and I will see you guys next time. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay, great.
Bye.
Bye-bye.